The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is creating waves as its first real-world images emerge, showcasing notable design and performance upgrades. Scheduled for unveiling at Samsung Unpacked on January 22, 2025, this flagship device promises to redefine smartphone standards. The latest leaks highlight significant design changes, including rounded edges and ultra-thin bezels, positioning the Galaxy S25 Ultra as a game-changer in the smartphone market. Renowned leaker Ice Universe shared images of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, revealing a sleek design with some of the slimmest bezels ever seen on a smartphone. These bezels are expected to surpass those of competitors, including the iPhone 16 Pro Maximum. Despite these refinements, the phone's overall size is projected to remain consistent with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The shift from sharp to rounded edges marks a significant departure from previous Galaxy Ultra models, which have been known for their angular designs since 2020. This new approach enhances ergonomics, making the device more comfortable to hold and addressing criticisms of earlier models. Real-life images and videos of the Galaxy S25 Ultra have surfaced online, confirming its refined aesthetics and exclusive color options. A hands-on video posted on Reddit showcases the device's rounded corners and metallic finish, corroborated by multiple reputable sources. The Galaxy S25 Ultra also adopts a more polished design to align with Samsung's new One UI 7 interface, which features rounded elements for a cohesive look. The Galaxy S25 Ultra retains Samsung's signature camera setup, with a unique arrangement of 4 sensors and a 2F lens in circular frames. While some earlier rumors suggested camera ring designs, these were absent in recent leaks. The device also incorporates minor yet thoughtful updates to the S Pen, such as a curved tip and repositioning to complement the phone's rounded edges. These changes demonstrate Samsung's commitment to blending innovation with user comfort. The phone's display is another highlight, rumored to achieve a peak brightness of 3000 nits, higher than the Galaxy S24 Ultra's impressive 2600 nits. This M13 Plus OLED panel offers exceptional color reproduction, delivering a vivid and vibrant visual experience. The slightly taller and narrower design enhances usability while maintaining elegance. Furthermore, Samsung is introducing the second-generation Gorilla Glass armor, promising improved durability and anti-reflective properties. On the AI front, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to redefine industry standards. Samsung has strategically kept its groundbreaking AI features under wraps to maximize anticipation. According to leaks, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will integrate cutting-edge AI innovations that could surpass anything currently available, including Apple's offerings. This bold move reflects Samsung's ambition to dominate the AI landscape and redefine the smartphone experience. In summary, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a landmark release with its stunning design, advanced AI capabilities, and top-tier durability. With its January launch just weeks away, it's poised to set new benchmarks in the smartphone world. Stay tuned for more updates as we approach the official unveiling of Samsung's latest flagship device.